Hi guys, this is Axel from African Drone Voice. So with Joshua. So Joshua here is the founder of DroneAvion. So he's basically built a bird drone that it can be used for aerial mapping. So he's trying to see how we can change the design of drones in different applications, from preventing bird strikes at airports by scaring away the birds, and also for using in mapping, like for instance in agriculture.
So my name is Joshua Gere, CEO and founder of DroneAvion. So what inspired me? I've encountered some problems using propellers. So I've had injuries, and also the the process of being able to buy a propeller once they break and then keep buying them again and again. So I thought to myself, let's make something different that we could also use to increase safety for users. So it's the reality of things is every single day is going to be a challenge. So if you need to kind of have this mentality that kind of keeps you going. So you want to find something that, I don't know, maybe motivates you.
Yeah.
And that could be, what's your why? Why are you doing what you're doing?
Yeah.